Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to create a Tripadvisor account for a travel agency. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you manage or own a travel agency, creating a Tripadvisor account allows you to manage your business hours information, respond to reviews, and if eligible, advertise or participate in Tripadvisor's business programs. Now, the first step we need to do is visit Tripadvisor for business. So we want to come over to one of these two different URLs. So if you've got a listing that's on Tripadvisor and you need to claim it, come on over to tripadvisor.com and then go ahead and find your business here. So just do a search for that business. And then if you find your business here, you want to go ahead and click onto it. And then you want to log in to claim, or just, it might even not even say login, it'll just say claim business. So you want to go ahead and claim that business. Just go through the steps of claiming that business. Then you will definitely need to verify that ownership. So TripAdvisor may ask you to verify that you own or manage that travel agency. Verification's method can include email verification, phone verification, and even documentation proving ownership or management. And then just basically follow the instructions provided to complete that verification. Now, if you can't find it and it's a new travel agency, we need to come over to tripadvisor.com/create listing. Then from here, we just need to fill out this form. So we need to put in the location details. So start with your name. So type in the travel agency name here. Then from here, which category best describes this place? So it's not going to say which one. So I'll just click anyone and then just say travel agency, like so. And then just press enter to add that in, and then keep scrolling down. You want to put in your address, and then if you are the owner, employee, or official rep of this place, go ahead and click on yes, and then email you can check email me with new reviews of this place based on previous presence on TripAdvisor and more. I suggest selecting that because that's going to be handy for your business. Then click save and continue. Then on the next page there, you want to provide accurate details about your travel agency. This can include your business name, business category. It will go more in depth with that. So put in travel agency or similar if available, your address, your phone number, your website, your business hours, and the description of your services. Then just double check all information before submitting it. And then from there, you need to verify that ownership. So TripAdvisor may ask you to verify that you own or manage that travel agency. Verification methods include email verification, phone, and even documentation providing ownership or management.